When homeowners search for air duct cleaning near me in Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania, many choose PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair because we combine local expertise with comprehensive HVAC solutions. As a trusted HVAC contractor, we provide professional air duct cleaning service designed to improve indoor air quality, enhance airflow, and support the overall efficiency of your heating, ventilation, and HVAC system. Are you looking for a HVAC contractor near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair. How often should air ducts be cleaned in a residential home? Air ducts should be professionally cleaned every 3 to 5 years, but the ideal frequency can vary depending on your household and HVAC usage. At PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair, we often recommend more frequent air duct cleaning service if you have pets that shed, family members with allergies or asthma, recent home renovations, or noticeable dust buildup around vents. What are the benefits of professional air duct cleaning? Professional air duct cleaning offers several important benefits that directly impact your home's comfort, air quality, and HVAC performance. At PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair, we provide a thorough air duct cleaning service that removes dust, debris, allergens, and contaminants that accumulate inside ductwork over time and circulate through your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system. What is your service area? Our PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair serve the following Pennsylvania locations: Springfield, Clifton Heights, Wyndom, Glenolden, Broomall, Angora, Sharon Hill, Elmwood Park, Holmes, Collingdale, Folcroft, Tinicum Township, Darby Township, Eastwick, Yeadon, Lansdowne, East Lansdowne, Millbourne, Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania. Where is your PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair office located? We are located at 642 Harper Avenue, Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania 19026, United States. Our phone number is 610-672-3046. Visit our website, https://pjmachvac.com/drexel-hill-ac-heating-repair-install/.